Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB Worth Saving 101, and I am KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, do me a favor, come back and visit my other videos because this is my second to the last Thredup video. Yeah, it's Thredup Tuesday. I told you guys I would share my journey till the end, and I only have about 30 days left. Oh, yeah. So I have my reclaims that did not sell, some updates, some tips and tricks of things that I've learned. I wish I would have maybe thought of sooner. And then, yes, next time. Anyway, I'm going to dive in. Let's see, which box is which? This is the box I need. So I'm trying to organize my stuff so that I have everything somewhat in an order of what I've listed so far and what I haven't. Now, yes, my Thredup journey started just about a year ago in March. Started sending my first boxes in. The program changed multiple times. My goal was to sell items for higher dollars to get better profits and to double my selling platforms without having to do the work. Unfortunately, as I do my rundown, you will see how unprofitable for me it currently is, and I feel like it's a waste of time. So anyway, I'm going to show you my little tips so you get something out of it, hopefully, if you're still doing it. So whenever I have a box of reclaims that are coming in, I I print off in color so that I can, as soon as possible, check everything in. And then this is my inventory sheet. Since I'm not sending it back in, if you were to send it back in, you could go ahead and keep it in the box and utilize this and add to it to send back in. But this is my inventory list of what's in the box when I list it. So there you go. Two ways of using it. All right. So the next thing is I'll show you my reclaims, but I am going to give you a little tip. So when you do your reclaims, of course, they have now changed it where you cannot use your reward points to reclaim your items. So you can't get free shipping. So you have to now pay $5.99 for your shipping. So for me, yeah, that cuts into the profit, guys. It really does. So what I did was I had an item expiring, and then I kid you not, it was like 12 days later, if not almost right at the 14. No, maybe it was 12. You have your 7 days to go through, and I waited till the last day to put it in my cart for reclaiming. So I put it in my cart to reclaim, and then I went through and utilized a $10 off coupon to get 2 items for free. Kind of helped me out with that $5.99 shipping because I'll make more than the $5.99 I spent. But and I added it to the bundle. You have to check out, and then you have to continue to add to the bundle in order to get that to happen. So I purchased 2 items. Purchased some of my bread and butter, which is Ann Taylor. So this is Ann Taylor Loft size 10, new with tags, and it is this, I don't know, how do you say it? Jacquard, brocade, gold, floral pencil skirt. I put retro 60s and Jackie O as my some of my keywords. And I got this one, and they both came to, I don't know, 3 something a piece, so I got them for free. This is an Ann Taylor Loft, again, size 10, new with tags, and again, the same style. I have sold this style in the past. Oh, I just noticed these have pockets. I don't think I put down pockets. I need to make sure I update my listing because pockets are highly important. Anyway, so yes, using the Jackie O, I have sold a skirt for like 45 of Ann Taylor's, and yes, so then I just went through, I added those skirts, I used my coupon, I pressed bundle, and then I waited so that I could reclaim the rest of the items. So that way I didn't have to do two different $5.99 shipping because I had one item that expired from another kit that was returned. So there you go. Now, on to what didn't sell. All right, so I have this Peter Martine size 14, 100% silk blazer with this contrasting stitching, button down, notch lapel. Hopefully my whole box doesn't tip over. This is a White House Black Market. What size are you? Size 4, 100% silk, one shoulder. They called it a burnout with a ruffle. I don't remember what the exact name is, but it's already listed. Lots of likes on that one. I think it's going to sell fast. This one is a White House Black Market size 00 petite. But it is this really super cute wrap dress with a built-in cami in this knit gray asymmetrical hemline down at the bottom, and faux belt and faux leather trim. A little out of season, but what are you going to do? This one is Ann Taylor Loft size 12. Are you silk? No, we're poly. Size 12, really super adorable. It has a little tie. It's a crisscross empire flowy. Okay. We have Max Studio M Woman's 1X 100% silk, and it is this top. And there it goes. And you know I don't edit. So I has this 100% silk tie waist, puff sleeve, a scoop neck. I can't remember what I put iCat or something. iCat scroll print. There we go. And as I sneak off camera to see if there's anything else left in the box. Oh, yes, I do. All right. And then I can move the boxes around again. I'm so sorry. I have a chaps size medium, and it is this stretch crisscross striped accented. I put, I don't know, school uniform, cheer as some of my keywords. So we'll see how that goes. Next. All right, these are all items that I don't have listed. The first ones are going to be ones that I need to retake photos of because their photos did not do justice. And yes, I do utilize photos. I screenshot and then I change the sizes and edit and do all that kind of stuff. So anyway, to try to get them listed faster, but I've actually found that it actually takes me longer. Oh well. Anyway, this is a Synergy by Chico's. It is a size 1. It is like this windbreaker with this ruffled zip up. Has zip pockets. It's really super cute. The pictures were so dark you could not see the ruffle. I haven't tried the Photo Light or the Photo Room app yet. I will do that to see if I can go through and change it out to make it better, and maybe still use theirs. Otherwise, I'll just retake them. This one, it says Esther. Don't ask me. I don't know. The reason I'm going to be retaking this is because it is a reversible jacket. It is a Magic Scarf Company, size small to large. So literally, this thing stretches and expands. It's really like, it's got this like crinkled puff material, but so you can wear it with this nice funky print, or you can turn it inside out and wear it completely black, and yes, you have pockets again. So they don't do anything with reversible items. So yes, I will be retaking the photos on this. This one, they had like a really big mannequin, so it made it look like a bulgy butt, and then, yeah, it just did not look good at all. This happens to be a BCBC Max Azaria, size medium, and it is like this total stretch knit skirt in this beautiful blues. It's a very heavy weight, super cute, bodycon. Woohoo! All right, my next item that did not sell. And then I will tell you my sales. I will also tell you what it looks like I'm going to make on this box. Boost Boost is a size 4, and this is so stinking adorable. Such a beautiful, like southwestern boho, sleeveless scoop neck, knotted detail, braided rope belt with this high-low, zigzag watercolor. Yeah, how many descriptive words can you throw in there? Gorgeous. Yes. All right. There's more. But wait, there's more. All right, I have this, I believe this is vintage Lucky brand. I don't know, I have to Google, because it says Lucky Lotus, California, softest knit, Lucky brand, extra small, and I did already find the name of it and forgot it. But it is this pull-over hooded with pockets, slip pocket, or is it kangaroo? Oh, it goes all the way through. It's a kangaroo pocket, color blocked, multimedia. I don't know. There you go. So that one is not listed. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And, and one of the problems is you don't know what season they're going to check it in. This box was from October. It was prior to the prices being changed where you can't mark it up over more than 50%. So that is one of the reasons why I'm stopping, not to mention all the additional fees now for reclaiming and everything. It just, I'll tell you my numbers, it doesn't add up. So this one happens to be a Ralph Lauren size 12, 18% silk, gorgeous velour. You can see the embossed velour, green maxi. Oh, it is just, well, midi, green midi, I'm sorry. It is just gorgeous. So if it would have been checked in like maybe December when I was thinking this box would have gotten checked in, I think some of these items would have been better. Actually, quite a few of them would have been better, but what are you going to do? It's one of the things you have no control over. So this happens to be, again, a Lucky brand 2X. It is just this pull-over Western, I don't know, Aztec print, long sleeve knit top. This one happens to be a soft surroundings, new with tags, size medium, beautiful embroidered. Look at all this embroidery. Split collar. I don't know. Oh, I almost want to call it a kimono style tunic. There you go. In this really, I don't know, whimsical print. All right. Don't ask me. It was new with tags, that's why I picked it up, but yeah. Can I give this one away? It's a Candies extra small. It is new with tags, and it is, sorry guys, sometimes there are bad buys. When you're sending it in a Thredup, you're thinking, well, they'll sell it maybe. So anyway, it is just this sleeveless scoop neck, elastic waist, like, what? Mini dress, and it did not have the belt, and they still accepted it, just in case you wondered. This one happens to be a Cabby size medium, and I don't know, are you made of anything spectacular? I don't remember. Polyester, 22% wool. 22% wool, and of course with Cabby I can look up the style name and tag it correctly, but it's just this little plaid blazer. So yeah, I think it should be okay. All right, again, another winter item. This is Old Navy, extra large, and it is a wool blend. Like, I don't know, pinky coral, double-breasted, peacoat style. Has a little belt, little fake belt in the back. I thought it was adorable. And all of these items, of course, I only picked up for $1. All right, only 2 more. So this one happens to be an ABS Evenings by Alan Schwartz, size 8. This is a gorgeous piece. It has these jeweled tones here, the cup accentuation, and it is a maxi down to the floor with a beautiful, sorry, can you see, back slit, da-da-da, in this gunmetal gray. All right, and the last piece is this Torrid size 0 animal print blazer, and I call it a smoking jacket. It does have some shoulder pads, so it might be from the 80s, who knows, with pockets, so with the black lapel, and those are all of my reclaims. So now, hold on, let me get to it. I brought it in here. There it is. Brought my phone in so that I could give you all the nitty and the gritty, which is, okay, so I come down here. Only 3 items have sold out of this kit so far. And so it says earned to date $46.86. But of course I have $10.99 return assurance. So below that, excuse me, there is the $35.87. Now you also have to minus out my $5.99 for my first 30-day reclaims, and then another $5.99 for my second set of reclaims. Yes, before the sales were higher, the dollars were higher, and things sold a lot faster. Now things aren't moving, they're not selling for as high as dollar amount, and there's a lot more fees that are involved. Remember, if you raise your prices now past 50%, there's a $5.99 reclaim on each item that you raise over 50%. There is no going back once you raise it. So in all actuality, this box is going to make under $25. And I still have, how many items do I have? I have 11 listed items. And, you know, I just, yeah, one of them, another winter coat. Some more would have been better for the winter formal things. So unfortunately, it is what it is. And like I said, this is my second to my last Thredup. So I thank you for joining me. I'm just giving you my honest, true journey through it all. And hopefully you guys, please remember, I do other videos. Currently, I've been stuck on just doing hauls. I will be expanding, so don't count me out. And please come back and see me. Until next time.